Did you know modern cars won't start unless you press the brake pedal? Let me show you why. This Arduino project simulates modern car push start logic. The slide switch acts as the brake pedal, the motor acts as the engine, and the LED shows all the dashboard information. Please like and follow for more Arduino car projects.